G'day guys, it's Rick here, and today in this tutorial video we're going to be going over the simple ways that I make my thumbnail ideas come to life, how they can improve your thumbnails and hopefully make some better thumbnails for yourself. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. The first thing I start off with, as you can see on screen right now, is starting off with my basic idea. So I know I want myself to be in the thumbnail, but we might not always want all this background. So Canva's got this amazing feature where you can literally just come up here and remove background. Once you remove your background, you end up with a photo like this. Now, you may not want the hands pointing up at different things for this particular thumbnail. So what we'll do is we'll go to the basic crop feature, and we know we can then hold on to our corners. Let's cut out those hands. And now we have it. We've now got the click the done, and there we go. We've now got a basic smiley face. So as you can see from some of the thumbnails that we've got just off to the side here, don't look at the top one. As you can see from some of the basic thumbnails we've got at the side there, we started off with things like and then I liked the idea of having it holding a phone, a hand holding a phone. So I took a photo of my hand, did the same thing, cropped out the background, put a black mat over the top of it. Now, I really should have taken time to do that point, but I haven't. So it is what it is. It's our 1% moving forward, and how we're going to improve our videos is do the start of the video would be helpful. So once we've done all that, we basically then end up with my picture, a hand in here, the phone I was holding, and just some real basic text. Tutorial, YouTube thumbnail. Let's get the YouTube thumbnail in Canva here. It's very easy. You can literally just go to YouTube, up in Elements, in YouTube, type in YouTube likes and subscribes, get a whole bunch of thumbnails. You can literally grab, drop, put it in. Now, when I made this looked real messy, looked not the best, shall we say. So what I ended up doing is I ended up taking this, dropping it into the AI program that we're going to be looking at today, and just asked it to polish up the program. Once it was polished up, I then did the same thing. I took that thumbnail and I took it over here. Took it over here to Chatgpt. So in Chatgpt, I dropped that thumbnail in here once it was cleaned up by the AI program that we're using, which is Google AI Studio Nano Banana. Then I asked it to give me an exact prompt for this thumbnail, and it told me how AI actually sees the thumbnail. You know, bold eye-catching YouTube thumbnail with bright blue background, on top large 3D text, with the words easy thumbnail, shadowing behind it, you know, and so on and so on. So now that you've got this particular prompt here, what I did is I said, well, I've got that idea. I like that idea, but it kind of could be better. So I then copied, took that prompt, and then we took it over here back into Google AI Studio. So what you can see now is I've copied in the prompt. We've kept the same thing as the previous prompt, but we've altered it slightly. So instead of in the center, the hand holding the phone, I've put this person in pick 1, which is myself from the beginning here, which is the photo that we photoshopped back here. So we've taken that same picture, which is here, and then we've said, holding the phone in one hand, on the screen have pick number 2, which is the previous thumbnail that I've made here, and then so on and so on. And then we just pressed generate, and what we've ended up with is this thumbnail here. So what you may notice by this thumbnail here is AI has very much given me a very nice makeover there, removed all blemishes and old person looks and things of those type. Beard looks pretty nice too. And this is what we've ended up with. So we've ended up with this particular thumbnail. And in this thumbnail now, what we can do with this is we can copy that thumbnail. And I'm creating a folder where I'm keeping all my as you can see, I've been playing with this thumbnail for quite a minute now. I think this is version 7 we're up to as I've been making this video with you. So we're up to version 7 from the thumbnail itself. So we take this thumbnail now and we copy said thumbnail. And then we come over to Chatgpt. And in Chatgpt, we ask, is there anything about the thumbnail that needs to be fixed? Can you give me 5 tips to improve the thumbnail, ranking them in order of importance? So what we'll do now is we'll open up the folder where we've got the thumbnail. We'll drag, drop folder, wait for it to load. And then we'll press go. ChatGPT will look at the thumbnail and it'll give us a breakdown of what it sees. As you can see, so ChatGPT's come back with some feedback on our thumbnail right now and what it likes and what it doesn't like. So it says right here, visual features, better expression. Okay, shadow and strokes. Yeah. I'm not going to change the writing at the top to make it yellow or red, because we've already got red over this side, we've got yellow over this side, so I like the writing as it is. Now it says could be slightly bigger and we should increase the YouTube logo and tutorial text. All right, so taking into consideration that feedback, and it says person needs to be smiling more. So come back over here. I've just asked it, can you make the person have a warm and inviting smile? Increase the words is, increase the spacing in the words easy thumbnail. So it's come back, it's changed my expression, which is nice. Hasn't done anything with the thumbnail. So we've taken this, pulled it back over here into Canva. We've grabbed our words tutorial and the YouTube button there, and we've increased them. So now that's left us with what I think is a pretty nice thumbnail. So from there, we're literally just gonna click save and export, download. It's gonna bring it all back and tell us where we're downloading it. As we know, we're gonna go downloading. We're going to the YouTube thumbnails, and as you can see, we got smile thumbnail. Version 11. So simple as that, right? And there we have it, all finished. Thumbnail's looking pretty good for this video that we're making right here, right now. You guys got any hints, tips, tricks, things that can help me out being new to this myself? Would be very much appreciated. If you want to leave them in the comments, that would be awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and my next video will be up here in the corner for you to watch next. I'm probably looking at doing something around OBS Studios and how I actually did the filming in this video itself. But other than that, thank you very much. Have an awesome day.